You were incredible!
We were incredible. Yeah, we did all right
Thank you
together.
very much.
Ooh, I meant all the dudes in my Omnitrix. But you guys are okay too, I guess.
That's nice, thanks. Pen!
Must be lost without its master's commands.
Then let's give it some of our own. This should reprogram it to make the world as good as new.
Let's make it better than new!
Done.
Whoa!
Rebuilding. Hello, bros, we're back. I am Weasel. Hey, nice to meet you.
That's that settled.
Hey, how are we getting home?
Oh, leave that to me. Azarath, Metreon, Zinthos! Well, time to get going. Bye, guys! Gwen's gonna flip when she hears about this. See you guys. Finally, this crossover's over. Wait a minute. Zinthos! Phew, close call.
It's time for me to go home as well.
Garnet, am I ever gonna see you again?
I don't know, but whatever happens, I'm not gonna forget you. Here.
Huh? Garnet! Oh, what happened? Did I just fall asleep? I hope Mr. Gar didn't see... Huh? What